Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I tried to look a bit more presentable today, but my shirt is still wrinkled. I didn't really do my hair, but that's besides the point. So today we're gonna get into kind of the part two, or the review of my iPhone XS Max, and I'm filming on it today. As you can see, well, you might not be able to tell, but I'm filming on it today. And so far, I've had it for about, I'll say 2.5 weeks. I love my phone. I'm just gonna go over a few different steps of just the transition and just how I feel about it in general. So this will be pretty short. Adjusting to the home button not being there was probably kind of weird for the first 2 days, but after that I kind of got accustomed to it. It's not really a big deal to me because most of the apps and things that I use, like for instance camera or stuff that you actually needed the home button for, it's kind of user friendly as to how they updated it and switched it to make it work. So home button doesn't have to be there. It's cool. The size of it is cool. I had a 8 Plus beforehand, so I'm used to a bigger phone. I don't drop it. It's not hard to hold or anything like that. I was gonna talk about 2 or 3 more things. So as far as the quality, in comparison to an 8 Plus, this phone does so much better with camera, pictures, editing pictures, things like that. It makes me personally look better, I think. As far as just taking a random picture, it makes me look better. It smooths your skin out for whatever reason. It makes, appears brighter to me. The front camera is really good. The back camera is really good, and all of that. As far as, do I think it's worth it? I personally think if you are tech savvy, if you use your phone a lot for instance, YouTube or any type of editing apps, picture taking, or Netflix streaming apps, things like that, I think it's very worth it because you get almost all of your screen for that, minus the little notch on the side. And that was the last thing I was going to talk about. The notch, as far as when I'm watching things like YouTube or movies or anything like that, it is noticeable. I can admit that it is noticeable, but not to the point where it's annoying, or it's not really, it doesn't really bother me. Now that probably is personal preference. Would I prefer that it not be there? Yes. But then where's the front camera going to be located? Where's the speaker going to be located? So I understand, and the LED light or whatever picture that it takes in order for you to do Face ID, where would all that stuff be if there weren't any notch? If they could embed it in the phone somehow for it to just work when it does, so that it's not needed, that will probably come sometime in the future. But as of right now, it's all good to me. I like it. I love it. I definitely think it's 100% worth it. And yeah, I mean, hey, if you have the money, if you're not going to break your wallet to get it, go ahead and get it. I didn't buy it full out for the full price that it costs, but you can. Feel free to do so if that's more so in your budget, in your range. But everybody's not everybody's not there. But yeah, I love this phone. Definitely check it out, give it a try. It's perfect for any person, doesn't matter, young, old, tech savvy, not tech savvy. It's easy to get used to. And so far, my first iPhone was the 5, I believe, 5S. Yeah, 5S. So this has been my favorite one so far. So I suggest you go ahead and get it if you want it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe. Please subscribe. if you want to. It's free, you know, it doesn't cost anything. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on my next video. Hefe gang, 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 gang.